Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial. So today I'll be sharing with you how you can get Microsoft Office for free. Please do me a favor and hit the subscribe and the like button. Now let's get started. So first, what you want to do is go to your favorite browser and then type office.com. So once you're in office.com, you're gonna see a place to sign in. It's gonna ask you to sign in, and if you don't have a Microsoft Office account, don't worry, it's really easy. You go into Microsoft website and then just create an account. Creating an account is easy and it is free. So I'm gonna click sign in, and then it's gonna ask me for my email address, which I'm gonna put in. And then I do it next, and it's gonna ask me to this is just to verify that it is me. I'm logged in incognito, so I don't wanna stay signed in, so I'm gonna click no. But if you want, you can stay signed in. I'm signed in on the other browser. Okay, so we land onto this window, and if you look at the top left, you can see this the plus sign. That is how you create a new document. But below that, these are the several documents that you can create. You should be able to create a Word document. You can create Excel. We can see this also PowerPoint, Outlook, and all these apps are available for you. There is OneDrive, there is Teams, there is OneNote. So all of this you can utilize while you're within this Windows while you're here. So then if you come in the middle of the window, you see recent. So in the recent column, you're able to see your recent activities, and this is really interesting because it's kind of nice as well, because if it tells you the most recent document that you worked on. So if you wanted to edit them, you could just click one of these and you can work on them. You can add it to pin, meaning you can pin it. And see, if you click here, you can add it to pin, you can remove it from the list, you can open the file location. There's so many things you can do with this, and it gives you the ability to be able to manipulate your document. And when you click the pinned, it will show you all the documents that you pinned. So like you see right now, I don't have any pinned. Sometimes I work on here, but not really too much. And then if I had any shared document, it would be right here. But I guess today I'm just going to leave it at my recent. And then also you see at the end over here, if I wanted to upload, if I had worked on a document on my computer and I wanted to upload it to my OneDrive, I'll just click here, upload and open. And then once that opens up, I'll be able to pick up whatever document I want to upload. And once I click on it, once I click on that document, then that document will be uploaded to my OneDrive. Click install Office. This is the paid version. So once you click install, it's going to take you to the paid site. So, and then on that site, you'll be able to pick whichever application you want, whether it is Windows, Excel, or Office 365, and then install that into your computer. But that's not what we want today. We just wanted to be able to use the free version. So I'm going to show you how this works. So we're going to go to click the plus sign and then click create. So we're going to create a Word document, but we're not limited to Word. We can create Word document. You can create a presentation with PowerPoint. You can also work on your Excel book. You can create forms as well. We have quiz forms and page sways. But we're going to keep it simple today. We're going to just go with Word document. And then it's going to ask me to verify myself. I'm going to put in my password as usual. And then once I put in my password, I'm going to get the Word document opened up, a new Word document. So if you look at this, this is just similar to any of our document that we're used to, right? It has the same Microsoft look. It has this, everything is just the same. And you can type whatever you want here. And once you do the typing, you can edit. So if you're working on a document, you can be able to edit. I know you guys know this, and I'm just gonna change the font just to show you that these things work. And if I wanted to bold it, should be able to bold it as well. So this is really a it comes in handy. This is a good place where you and the team can work on the same document. And then also, if you see, this is pretty neat. If you look at here, there's also dictate. So there's ability for you to just be able to dictate if you didn't want to type. And let's try it out. So I'm gonna allow the dictation, and it's actually started recording, right? Yeah, I'm talking and it's recording. I don't know why it stopped. Yeah, okay, now it's working. So I can just, you know, sit here and talk with you guys, and it keeps on typing for me. Please guys, just make sure you subscribe. That would really help me a lot. And it keeps on typing, and it keeps on typing as you speak. It keeps on typing for you, and this is also really neat. So if you want to stop your document you've typed in up, you click stop, and now voila, we have a big document now. And we can edit it in here. We can change font if it's too big. We should be able to change the font. Keep on trying this. Sometimes, you know, the online stuff doesn't work that good, but this one seems to be working pretty good. So you can change the font. And then once you're done, our document is ready. One thing I wanted to mention here is we can click the name of a document and give it some good name. Okay, we can say free office. That's probably a good name for today. And then so it's saved as free office. So once you're done working on the document, we can go back to file here, and if you click save as, you have the ability to be able to save a copy online, which is the first one. We can rename it, which you already did, but also maybe you want to download a copy into your local drive, so you want to continue working on it at home, or later. You can click on download. So I'm going to click on download and see how fast it is really, but this largely depends on how fast your internet is. It seems to be pretty fast. So I'm going to click download a copy, and it's going to ask me where I want to save that. I'm just going to save that on my desktop, and that should be saved on my desktop. It's actually saved on my desktop right now. So there's a ton of things that you can do with this. Not only Word, you click on the menu icon right here. Remember, we can also do PowerPoint presentations. So if I clicked on PowerPoint, I would either click PowerPoint icon itself, or I can start a new blank document. Or if I wanted to work from the template, I can also go through these templates and pick the one that suits whatever I want to do. So if it was a new Excel document, I would click new document, or I can click over here and it should bring me to this, and I can pick whichever one. So I can click on new document, verify, the same way we did verification the other time. Yes, and it works. Yeah, so it's taken me to this Excel document, and it seems to be working pretty okay. So I mean, I don't have any issues with it. And once you're done, you just do the same thing that we did with the, you know, with our Word document, and click save as. You go to file and click save as, and you decide where you want to save it. Yeah, guys, this is really nice, and it's a nice way, you know, to get things done. The only drawback is that you gotta have a good internet, and of course you gotta have a Microsoft account, which I think most people do now, and then you just have to have a browser, and that's it, and you should be able to start working on this. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate your time, and I hope this was helpful for you guys. Please, if you like the video, just give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye.